How to use same drawing settings in other drawings in AutoCAD. Solution. Some settings are belongs to DWG file only and will be saved in drawing file only. In other drawings you cannot use those settings. Example: line weight, point style, etc. But by the help of below settings you can use same settings in other drawings also. 1. Open a blank template file and turn on line weight in it, as it is off by default. 2. Save this template file on application template location. 3. Run options command. 4. Go to files template settings default template file for QNEW. 5. Select the saved template file and apply the settings. Now open new drawings. You will get the line weight on in all the drawings. Perform same procedure with point style and other settings which you wants to apply. See how it works. First we see for line weight. Run line weight command and turn it on, as by default it is off. And change its value to 1 mm. Open the new drawing. Here you can see it is showing off. Go to previous drawing where we turned it on and save this drawing as a DWT format. Now run options command. Go to template settings. Go to Q new option. Browse and select that saved template file. Apply and OK. Open a new drawing file. Run line weight command. Here you can see that the line weight is showing on. Draw a line. Line weight is appeared on the line. Similarly, if you open the new drawing, the line weight is now turned on for all the objects. Now we see for the point style. By default the point style is dot, so we can change it by using DDP type command. Select any other point style and click OK. Now add this circular point in drawing. Open a new drawing file. Add point in drawing, so here you can it come as a dot point style. Go to previous drawing where we changed the point style. Save this drawing as a DWT format. Now run options command. Go to template settings. Go to Q new option. Browse and select that saved template file. Apply and OK. Open a new drawing file. Run DDP type command. So here you can see that circular point style is now by default style. Add a point in this drawing. You can see now that circular point style is added. Open another drawing. Add a point. So that template settings is now added for all the new drawings.